What if your dolls had better recipes than you do? I designed these 4 miniature cookbooks to be 100% readable, fully functional, and let's be honest, completely adorable. Hello, friends. I'm Maggie, a graphic designer and miniature artist, and I'm so happy to have you here. I love creating tiny worlds, and in every episode, I share my passion and my crafts with you. You also get a free printable sheet so you can craft along with me. Welcome to my channel. I've been busy designing these for my Etsy shop, and today I'm going to show you how they look in two different worlds. But the best part, my favorite one, the mini cake cookbook, is yours for free today in both 1/6 and 1/12 scale. Let's take a tour. First up, we're in the 1/6 scale world. These fit perfectly in a Barbie-sized living room for a cozy afternoon read. But they really shine here in the bakery. Seeing them lined up on the shelf makes the whole shop feel so much more real. For my 1/12 scale collectors, look at the difference. They're absolutely precious next to my Sylvanian family friends. Despite being so tiny, you can still see every detail on the cakes and chocolate treats inside. Ready to make your own? Grab the free piece of cake file from the link in my description. You can print this on normal printer paper. Select the paper size that you need and make sure print on both sides is disabled. And here is the printed sheet. The colors are lovely. You need to cut out all the pieces. First, we build the structure. Fold the side tabs of your cover inward. I like to use a cover support template inside the main cover to give it that hardback feel. Glue those tabs right over the support.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't.
Now for the pages, this is the secret to getting many recipes in a tiny book. Fold each row of pages back and forth accordion style along the lines between the recipes. Then glue the end of row 1 to the start of row 2 to create one long continuous strip.
Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be
keep it all together, apply a tiny amount of glue to the back folds of your strip and press them firmly into the spine. Finally, attach the back of the title page to the inside left cover and the very last page to the right cover. And there you have it, a professional looking miniature cookbook. If you loved this project, you can find the full set of 4 over at my Etsy shop, Little Maggie Shop. Don't forget to download your free cake book at the link below. I'd love to see your finished books, tag me if you share them. Happy crafting! Bye!
Yeah, I do. I see you standing there, I just wanna get out of here. Oh, baby, I'm with you. Oh, baby, with you. You're coming closer, I can feel it, and I don't know what to do. Oh, baby, what to do? Oh, what should I do? I want your body on my body. Don't you see that I'm waiting for you? All I think about is you. You're coming closer, I can feel it, and I don't know what to do. Oh, baby, what to do? What should I